Good afternoon, good afternoon. Today, I would like to take you on a tour of Periwinkle Way. This is Sanibel's main road. It is 4.5 miles long and goes from the historic Sanibel Lighthouse to Tarpon Bay Road. It passes many wonderful shops, grocery stores and restaurants. Did you know there are only a couple of franchise restaurants on Sanibel Island? And only a few buildings that are higher than 2 stories. This is all thanks to the city's comprehensive land use plan, also known as the Sanibel Plan. Once the causeway was completed in 1963, Lee County had plans to build over 30,000 houses. This catalysed the formation of Sanibel's own city government. In 1974, Sanibel broke away to halt the uncontrolled growth of the island. The Sanibel Plan has been amended over time, but the essence has remained the same. Sanibel is and shall remain a barrier island sanctuary on which a diverse population lives in harmony with the island's wildlife and natural habitats. Today, the population is around 7,400, and over 60% of the island is conservation land. So next time you visit the island, glance at the sign that welcomes you, and remember the men and women who championed Sanibel all those years ago. The sign simply states, "Welcome to our sanctuary island. Do enjoy, don't destroy." My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.